Hi, I'm Nick, and I work in service here at Russ Darrow Chrysler of Madison, and today we're going to be going over tread depth and why it's important to have good tread depth on your vehicle in bad weather conditions. It'll also help you with rainy weather conditions, dry weather conditions. It'll help you all around. So it's important to rotate your tires to make sure you have even wear across your tread. And we recommend rotating your tires every other oil change, about 10,000 miles or so. It's also important to have good tire inflation on all your tires. And if you need help finding that, it can be found in your owner's manual, or you can just bring it into us and we'll set it up for you. As always, if you have any service-related questions, feel free to give us a call. We'll be more than happy to help you out here at Russ Darrow.